my channel. Hi, this is Janie Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, I talk about real, relatable, wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize for your day-to-day life. I hope you're catching up on all the styling series that I'm doing for Diwali and for all the festivities that we have around. Matlab theek hai, we are all in sort of quarantine and at least I'm not able to meet my family. Second Diwali in a row, but I still will dress up, eat sweets and call them or just celebrate with friends here. So today I'm doing the TMI tag. I have seen this like all over the internet. Lekin the twist is कि मैंने ना ये 50 questions पढ़े नहीं हैं. I've literally just opened the questions. I don't know the questions, and I'm going to try and answering them like a rapid fire Karan Johar style. Let's see if I can do that, because of everything I'm definitely not a girl with few words. I always have a lot to say. Let's begin. The first question, what are you wearing? Wow, it feels very naughty. I am wearing this dress from a brand called Jodi Life. It's actually one of my very first few sustainable purchases. Ever been in love? Yes, married him. Ever had a terrible breakup? Oh, yes and no. I don't know whether that was a breakup or not, but let's leave it at that. How tall are you? I am 5'4". I'm actually 5'3" and 5'4" in between, but I like to say I'm 5'4". How much do you weigh? I am 72 kgs right now. Any tattoos? Yes, I have one here, which is the hot air balloon with the globe, with the world map, like the globe. World globe? Globe? What is it called? The globe. And I have a tattoo at the back, which is a devil and an angel. I'll put the picture here. Any piercings? Yes, I had a nose piercing when I got married, then I removed it, then I have like my full ears pierced. I wear the earrings on and off that I want, but I have like a couple of earrings, no other piercings whatsoever. OTP? No, I'm not sharing my OTP. If that's what it is, the password, I don't know. Favorite show? On and off for favorite shows, but I definitely love Criminal Minds. I love everything to do with Princess Diana. And I love Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. So these are my current favorite shows. How old are you? As of very much today, I am 39 years old. Zodiac sign, Cancer. Quality you look for in a partner? Well, I'm already married, but definitely respect is the number one thing. You need to respect each other, and then love comes second, but respect and trust is number one. Favorite quote? There are lots of favorite quotes. There is realist and dreamers from Modern Family, which says that, you know, there are realists and dreamers in the world. The realists need the dreamers in their life so that they are not too practical, and the dreamers need the realist in their life so they don't soar too close to the sun. Something like that. I've not said it properly, but that's one of my favorite quotes. Favorite actor? I mean, I keep on joking about Richard Gere and everyone, but no favorite actor as such. Favorite color? Red, red, red. See my lipstick, but I love the color red. Loud music or soft music? Actually, there are days, but if I have to pick, then I think I lean towards softer music on most days. Unless I'm running, then I need like peppy, Dua Lipa, levitating sort of songs. Where do you go when you are sad? Where do you go? I go to the beach. I love looking at the water. I'll just sit at the beach and stare at the water for like a couple of hours. Yeah, that's my jam. How long does it take for you to shower? Very honestly, I'm extremely quick when I get ready. Whether it's taking shower or getting ready, I'm extremely quick. So I'll say 5 to 7 minutes tops. How long does it take for you to get ready in the morning? Like I said, I'm an extremely organized person. So once I decided that what things I need to wear, what things I need, you know, what I'm doing, once that whole look or style is in my head, I literally take 5-7 minutes to get ready. But if I've not thought what I'm going to wear, then there are a couple of outfit changes that I'm not proud of. Okay. Ever been in a physical fight? I don't think so. Even in my childhood days, I was a very settled sort of a person and never fought with my siblings, which is so sad, right? Who doesn't fight with their siblings? But me, I don't. I have not fought with my siblings. Okay, next question. Turn on. Turn on is a sense of humor for sure, and the ability to have meaningful conversations. Turn off. I've never thought about these things. The biggest turn off. I've literally never thought about these things, but I think the ability to just keep on talking about themselves and not listen to someone else is a huge turn off. The reason I joined YouTube. Okay, I have been doing Instagram for over a year and a half now. I mean, seriously, I am on Instagram for donkey's years, but I've been doing serious Instagram from July of 2020. And then I thought that if digital is the way to go, then let me also enter YouTube. Also, I realized that with Instagram or with Reels or with TikTok, the content is about 10-15 seconds, which just doesn't justify with what I want to say. I'm like, how can I explain you how to wear a red color in 15 seconds? That's why I thought YouTube is the place where I can make videos which are real, relatable, where women like me, I'm 39. I have gone through a marriage, I've gone through 2 kids, I have changed a country. There are so many things that I have done, and yet I think that I hold on this tightly to the person that I am, and that's what I want to tell people, that the person that you are cannot get lost in this, and clothing is a medium to do that. So that's the reason why I joined YouTube. Next question, fears. My biggest fear definitely is the death of a loved one. I mean, that tops everything. I don't think I'm as fearful as my death as I am for my loved one's death, but that's my biggest fear. Last thing that made you cry. Can I? Last thing that made you cry. It's gonna sound extremely stupid, but I am gonna be honest because it's a TMI tag. On Instagram or YouTube, Pinterest, there are so many digital formats, right? I refuse to do any illegal that I feel. I'm very strong on my ethos, and I refuse to do things that other content creators do. And okay, let me first tell you that to each on its own. I don't want to judge anyone of why they're doing what they're doing, but that also means that for someone who's as honest as me, also suffer a lot of setback because my rankings go down, my content, sometimes on my Instagram, although it has 14,000 followers, I get about 100 likes on a post, and I really put my heart and soul into creating content. So just last week I was sitting down and I'm like, why am I taking my business digital? I'm an image consultant for 10 years. What's the need for me to take my business digital and suffer this day in, day out of thinking whether numbers, I'm on this pendulum. Some days I feel, oh, numbers don't matter, I enjoy the content I create, and then some days I'm like, but it's the reach is so bad, and I don't want to enter engagement pods, I don't want to enter like pods, I don't want to just comment on other profiles just to gain followers. I don't want to do all those things. So that's the thing that made me cry. Okay. Last time you said you loved someone. I've got 2 kids. My 6-year-old daughter can literally just stick with me and keep on saying, I love you, I love you, I love you. So yeah, that's when. Meaning behind your YouTube name. It's my name. I thought that what's the bigger brand than me? So I decided to name my YouTube channel after me. In fact, everything, my YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, or whatever social media channels, you just need to write Jaini Gandhi and you'll find everything. Okay, last book you read. Okay, I'm like a pendulum when it comes to TV and books. If I'm reading a book, I won't watch TV, and if I'm watching TV, then I won't read a book. So I've not read a book since a month. I don't remember the last author's name, but it definitely was a psychological thriller. I only read thrillers and mysteries. I can't do any other book. So that's quick. I love reading what happens next. Last person you talked to. Last person I talked to, I'm going to count on phone because in person everyone's home, right? We are like in COVID, pandemic. I am bloody tired of saying this, but yeah. Everyone's home, encroaching my space. This is my space to work, and I'm like figuring out time to shoot these videos. Anyway, so the last person that I spoke to was my in-laws. My in-laws are sending a couple of things for Diwali, and they wanted to check what are the kids' sizes and all that. So they are the last people I spoke to. the relationship between you and the person you last texted. Who did I text last? Oh, I texted. I don't want to say because if that person watches the video, it's going to be very bad. But in my head, the relationship is not that great. Okay, what's my favorite food? My favorite food is tons, but I love pani puri, I love grill sandwich, I love everything to do with bread, and then I love great salads. But who are we kidding? I love chocolate cake, pani puri, and grill sandwich. Oh, mango! How did I forget mango? I mean, I can die for amras. So mango. Place you want to visit. As of now, today on 28th of September 2021, when I'm recording this video, I only and only want to go to Mumbai to see my parents, my in-laws, my friends, my siblings. No other place in the world entices me as much as this place. Do you have a crush? I do, but I'm married for 17 years. What am I going to do even if I have a crush? You have to watch Criminal Minds, Dr. Reed. He's a cutie. But you know, my daughter's 6 years old, and whenever I think that I have a crush, I always think, oh, I wish she has a boyfriend like this. I've passed that age to say I have a crush for myself. You know, am I getting old or am I old? I don't know. Last time you kissed someone. Just now my daughter, I bribed her that, okay, come on, I'm giving you 5 kisses. Please be in your room. Mama needs to record this video. So my daughter. Last time you were insulted. No idea, nothing to my face. And if someone doesn't say to my face, behind my back doesn't count. I mean, it affects me, but it doesn't count. Favorite flavor of sweet? Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. What instruments do you play? None. Hands are counted as instruments and I can clap well. I don't play any instrument. Favorite piece of jewelry? Oh god, tons. I have favorite piece of jewelry for the season. So currently this Afghani necklace, I'm putting the picture here, is my current hot favorite piece of jewelry. Last sport you played. So I'm going to tag my living room video here. I did like a home tour, and if you remember, then I have this huge patio. We play badminton there with the kids. So that's the last sport that I played. Okay, next question. Last song you sang. Last song. Okay. कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख गहरा है, फूल से खुशबू दफा दफा है गुलशन में. Cannot sing more because more than 5 seconds and YouTube is going to flag it, and I don't want my video to be flagged. Okay, next. Favorite chat-up line. Favorite chat-up line. Okay. Hi, how are you doing? Have you ever used it? Yeah. Okay, I don't understand this question. Last time you hung out with anyone? Saturday we met friends. Today is Tuesday. Who should answer these questions next? Ooh, this is interesting. I'm going to tag a couple of YouTubers that I know. I still don't have a YouTube community with me because I don't know how to go about it, but I'm going to tag a couple of YouTubers that I follow. And let's see if they answer or not. But this has been interesting. I mean, it has been a challenge to not share more and just stop in one word. But I hope you guys found it interesting and a little bit insight into the kind of person that I am. So if you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Till I see you next time. Bye-bye.